Okay, now let's look at Twitter and why Twitter has so much potential. Twitter has millions of users and views. It's quick and easy content, only 140 characters long in your tweets. Everything's up to date and in real time, and you have the ability to link to other sites in your tweets. Setting up your Twitter profile. Always use your real name if possible, not something like Web Solutions Guy 411 or something. You know, you don't want to let people think that that's what you're all about. I mean, you want to come across as being a real person, not a company or some kind of website outfit or something. Have an interesting bio, try to be funny if you can, and always be opinionated and controversial, much like what I talked about with Facebook. In your profile pic, smile and look friendly and approachable. That's important. Follow real people, not companies. That's really important too. What to tweet about. A great way to generate interest is to ask a lot of questions and post surveys. Can get people talking. You can tweet about personal stuff, but make sure you make it interesting. Hot topics, stuff in the news. You could search for popular content and bring it to other people's attention, e.g. like searching for popular things on Dig or popurls.com or something. Retweet interesting stuff. Post motivational quotes. A lot of people find that very interesting, they like that. Stay away from politics and religion again. Showing your personality. Be opinionated, never just neutral. Develop your own style, way of writing. This goes for all social media, I think. Just if someone has a certain way of talking or writing, it can be very memorable and it will help people recognize your brand in the future. Be different and stand out. This will help to attract interested people and people who are similar, people in your niche as well. Be helpful and give value. That's very important. And also be entertaining and fun. It's a combination of being helpful, giving value, also providing entertainment and interest, at the same time trying to get across your message of what you have, what you're about, and what you've got to offer. Try to be a leader in your niche and support your followers' goals and offer helpful advice. Be the person that they come to when they've got a question about something in your niche. That's what you ultimately want to be. Your first tweets. Make 5 tweets before you follow anyone, because once you follow someone, often they just follow you back, and when they get to your profile, if there's no tweets or anything, it's often pretty boring. Give value and show personality. Be funny if you can. You don't actually have to be a funny person, but you can just find funny things on the internet to post. Post entertaining things. Stay away from politics and religion, like I said. Try not to talk too much about selling or making money or anything like that. If that's your niche, that's good, but try not to come across as a sales, like you're trying to sell something to them. You want to help them make more money. Take that approach. Building Twitter followers. Search Twitter, search.twitter.com. Search by your niche's keywords for targeted followers. Follow other people first, like I said, and usually they'll follow you back. Try to follow influential and important people in your niche who have a lot of followers. And try to aim to follow about 50 to 70 people per day. I know it sounds like a lot, but it's actually pretty easy. And try to follow people during Twitter's peak times, like 1 to 3 p.m. and 6 to 10 p.m. I think it's American time. And you'll get a higher acceptance rate because more people will be online. They're more likely to just accept you if they're already online, Effective Twitter marketing. Tweet pics. It's very popular, it brings more attention. Try to use symbols in your tweets to add more interest, make you stand out. Use numbers, lists, stats. People seem to be interested in that. You can do things like pointing an arrow to your links, like this one here, make you stand out from the rest of the tweets in your followers' newsfeed, because they have like a bunch of tweets, so you want to make it stand out. Try to compliment and comment on people's tweets, reply to their questions, and show interest in others. Like I said, stay involved and active. Ask questions and be controversial. Ask very controversial questions, not something that's offensive, but something that's going to get people talking. And also tweet at the peak times, which I said was 1 to 3 p.m. and 6 to 10 p.m. Encouraging retweets. Retweeting is when you tweet something and then someone takes that and tweets it on their profile. So retweeting is a very viral way of gaining more exposure. Try to string your URLs first to make it easier for people to retweet. Reciprocity. When you retweet other people's stuff, they often retweet yours to return the favor. If you have some really popular tweets, direct message some popular followers of yours or someone with a lot of followers of their own and ask them to retweet it for you. But make sure it's not selling anything and it really provides value. Otherwise, people won't want to retweet it and it won't look very good. Building your business with Twitter. So make sure you send your Twitter traffic to your website, your blog, your Facebook fan page, your other social media pages, like your MySpace page, your YouTube channel. You just want everything kind of interlinked, like sending your traffic to all your different social media accounts and pages. Articles and press releases. Use your other social media pages to advertise your Twitter and gain followers. And also you could advertise your Twitter to your email list. You can put on your signature, etc.